Hey guys, I welcome everyone to a new video. This video is video and audio quality check between Infinix HOT4 Pro and Lenovo K8 Plus. This is a front camera check on Lenovo K8 Plus and audio quality check on Lenovo K8 Plus. Hopefully, I'll be showing side-by-side comparison of this both the mobile phones. So this is the video quality check on Infinix HOT4 Pro and how the audio sounds like on Infinix HOT4 Pro. So this is the indoor check. Video is from Infinix HOT4 Pro and the audio is from Infinix HOT4. This is the indoor video check on Lenovo K8 Plus and I hope the audio sounds better. So this is the video quality on Lenovo K8 Plus. This is the video quality check on Infinix HOT4 Pro. So this is the side-by-side comparison which I'm doing. Hopefully you guys can check the quality of the front camera on Lenovo K8 Plus and Infinix HOT4 Pro. So this is the main camera check on Infinix HOT4 Pro and Lenovo K8 Plus. Infinix HOT4 Pro takes some time for focusing, and this is the side-by-side comparison of Lenovo K8 Plus and Infinix HOT4 Pro. This is the outdoor shoot which I am shooting now. Hopefully I think you guys can have a clear look of the comparison between these two mobiles. This is it. Hopefully guys you would have enjoyed my today's video, that is the comparison between Lenovo K8 Plus and Infinix HOT4 Pro. So guys, thank you for watching the video. So if you guys like this video, give a thumbs up and please do subscribe. A lot more videos to come guys, so thank you for supporting me. See you guys in a new video soon.